And now we are going to discuss about the regional current affairs of Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh state for TSPSC and as well as for the APPSC for the groups aspirants. So, this will be a very helpful. Like on 1st March 2018, the startup of Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited was being inaugurated by Telangana IT Minister K.T. Ramarao. So, this Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited is a joint venture of Boeing Company and Tata Advanced Systems Limited. So, in the presence of Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, so K.T. Ramarao has been inaugurated this Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited. This facility will be the only global producer of fuselages for all AH Apache helicopter. So, this AH Apache helicopter may be delivered by 2018 itself. So, the manufacturing of these helicopters was being held in Hyderabad. Next, Telangana government has launched T-App Folio. This T-App Folio is a mobile governance application for delivering information to government to citizen or to business to citizen. So, it may be G2C or B2C, business to citizen, services for any time and anywhere. So, this T-App Folio is being launched by Telangana IT Minister K.T. Ramarao, which provides nearly 150 services and information services regarding ration cards, PDS public distribution system, as well as Mi Seva centers. So, the users can download this app and also utilize for finding their certificates, their beneficiary marks in PDS, and it is also available in both languages, Telugu and English. Next, on eve of International Women's Day, on 8th March 2018, so Government of Telangana launched Women Entrepreneurship Hub, which is known as WE Hub. This is India's first state-led incubator exclusively for women entrepreneurs in Hyderabad. So, this is also launched by Telangana IT Minister K.T. Ramarao, and Deepthi Ravala has been appointed as the first CEO for this Women Entrepreneurship Hub of Telangana. So, coming to Andhra Pradesh. So, during the CII Confederation of Indian Industries Partnership Summit 2018, which was held in Vizag on 28th February 2018. So, following this, on 1st March 2018, Avade Power Limited has stated that it will invest nearly 3,500 crores to establish 500 megawatts of solar power in Andhra Pradesh. So, this will be the highest solar investment by a single company. So, Andhra Pradesh plans to achieve a goal of nearly 18 gigawatts of solar power by 2022. So, they have planned 2021 and 2022 as a generation of solar energy or solar power of Andhra Pradesh. So, these are the few important points of regional affairs.